What up, yo? What up? What up? What up? It's your boy again. Yeah. This time I got hair. I got hair this time. Yeah, this is my crib. That's where I be sitting to be on my computer. Yeah. It's kind of dark in this sucker, huh? Let me put some pow wow up in here. Yeah. It's the same things. I got the flowers on my bed sheets, man. You know what I'm talking about. Hey, here's some exclusive. Damn, it's always dark in the damn closet. Anyways, shit, y'all can't see shit in there. But, yeah, let's see what's up. Let's get some light in here. Let's get some light in this mother sucker. So, what we about to do, what we finna to do, man, is what we about to just chill. Today is Tuesday, I'm high up there, you know what I mean? But what we gonna do? Pass me the lighter, I'ma start a fire. Pass me the lighter, I'ma start a fire. Pass me the lighter. Oh shit, the fucking lighter's out, man. What the fuck am I gonna do now? Oh wait, I'ma breathe on this shit. I'ma hope it works. Holy shit, nigga! It came out real fast. You see that real quick? Anyways, let's go. We finna to do this now. And we gon' go down the fucking stairs. And we gonna smoke some more weed today. We gonna use this lotion here and masturbate with right there. Oh shit.